In this video, you're going to learn how to make your own custom Valentine's Day labels for these Sweet Tarts candy boxes using Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos Custom Party Favors. I'm Latoya, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Valentine's Day labels for your Sweet Tarts candy boxes using the free online designing program Canva. This is a really easy and fun project that anyone can do even if you never used Canva before. So let's get started. To get started, the first thing you want to do is head on over to canva.com and log into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. You can use our referral link in the description box down below to get a 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. You want to head on up to custom size, make sure it's in inches, and you want your page size to be 8.5 by 11 inches. So once your blank page pulls up, you can head on over to Elements, scroll down to Lines and Shapes, and from there you can start creating your label. Alright, so at this point in the video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use our pre-designed template, which is the same layout I just showed you how to create yourself. However, with this ready to edit template, I have already designed the candy box labels for you, so that all that's left for you to do is to edit the text and even change the colors if you wanted to. There are two different labels available. The first wraps around the box, while the second one will cover the entire box. You can purchase this template by heading on over to our website at hangingwiththekiddos.com. I'll be sure to link it in the description box down below, or you can grab it for free if you're a part of our Patreon. anyways, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and drop us a comment down below. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. You can find the links over in our Amazon storefront for the paper that we use and the double-sided tape that we use. If you're interested in the pre-made version of this template, you can head on over to our website and grab it, or you can grab it for free if you're a part of our Patreon. Thank you all so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.